In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reload a Bostitch nail gun like this one. The first thing you want to do is check the label and make sure that you're in the correct range and you have the correct gauge when ordering your nails or when buying your new nails. Each gun has a slightly different gauge, which is going to be the size of the nail, and then length of the nail that you're allowed to put inside of the nail gun to make it continue to operate correctly. Let's start with this brad nailer. So you can see the length of nails that will fit in this brad nailer, and you can see that it's an 18 gauge nail gun. So when I went on, I made sure that I bought 18 gauge nails that fit in the length. These are going to be 2-inch nails. I'll make sure to put links in the description below to all of these materials and tools that I'm using. When you remove them, you'll see that you get them kind of in a sheet like this. You can break them apart and make them smaller. But on this brad nailer, all I'm going to do is press this button here to release the guard, and then you can slide these nails into the brad nailer just like that. Give them a little push up, push the guard back up until it clicks back in place, and you're locked and loaded. It's that easy. Again, you can break these down. You don't have to put a whole sheet in at once, but it's just that easy. On this larger nail gun, you can see that, again, I just release this button here, and then I'm going to be able to load the nails in that way, and then click to lock it back in place. So both these are pretty easy and user-friendly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.